16 Desert Creek. We're really close to the freeway and a lot of shopping, so we do have grass in the front. Thank you.
You're welcome, honey. Sorry about the boxes.
Oh, no. Thank you.
We've lived here for 30 years in the same house. I'm one of the owners, so.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so we have 3 in high school, my twins and my other one. But we've raised all 4 of our kids. The other one's already married, so we.
Oh, 30 years. That's a while for one house. Yeah.
It's a nice house. It's a good neighborhood.
It's really close to everything.
Yeah, we like walking over to the center. My kids do those sports and all that.
That would be nice.
It's a nice neighborhood. It does need some repairs, but like Tanya said, the 180, she said, it's cheap stuff. She said, I say, this minor stuff. And I was going to do that. My brother said, because he's one of the oldest, he said, don't do anything. So I said, all right.
Because if you change something,
he said, let them pick their own seat, Karen. He said, if you go buy one, they're going to not be able to choose what they want. He said, it's sort of good it's that way because they can put their own color tile, whatever.
Definitely.
And I know he's going to leave leeway for repairs.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because a lot of times, even if it's new paint, we'll go ahead and change the color because it's not what we wanted.
Yeah, I know.
So. Can't go outside, or?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
I would say you have to imagine it with time. This house would be nice if it had all the stuff in it. I think it's nice now, but it's our home.
Yeah, for sure. No, everyone loves their home. The cats cannot go outside, right?
No, they're indoor cats.
Okay.
Yeah,
I'll be careful.
They
okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, and like these are trying to break a little.
Thank you.
I'm gonna pick that up here. Everything blew over.
It's really windy today.
Huh?
It's really windy today. You have the concrete in place.
Oh, is this a client that wants to get? It's a client.
Well, I record all the properties since I see it by myself, so that way I can just show it to the team.
Okay, Patty.
Oh my gosh. Oh, you're so tiny.
Cornstarch and we need honey. You don't want to grab those. And I'm going to put it in a quarter.
I got that answer.
Okay.
Oh, you got it.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
She's so small. Don't be
Is that
scared.
Lucy?
Little black one with white paws.
We got our cats from Heaven Can Wait, the rescue cats.
I love Heaven Can Wait.
Yeah. And they tell us, don't let them outside. And I thought, isn't that mean? And they said it's meaner to let them outside because they don't have survival skills. And they said they'll get hit by a car or jump a wall with it. And all of our neighbors' cats, that happened to them. That's weird. Because they leave theirs out. Ours are the ones that stay in.
When I had cats, they were indoor cats.
Yeah, my sister said, get rid of the cats. I said, I'm not getting rid of our cats. They're our cats.
It's really hard to...
Allergy. I said, well, the cats aren't going to come with the buy of that.
Yeah, it's really hard to find new owners for to adopt a cat out.
Yeah.
You know, once you find it, you have to keep it.
And we've had our cats for 8 years.
Yeah, that's
They were
good.
skittish when we got them. Now they act like they own the place.
Oh, that's good. Okay. And this is a coat closet right off of the laundry room, which is off of the garage. Okay, and now we're going to head upstairs. Oops. Okay. So,
We haven't been in this house in 4 years.
oh.
I know we probably should, but we haven't ever. Yeah.
No, it's for selling. It's totally fine because, even if it's something, even if a house is brand new white, we'll probably still paint over it.
Oh, you guys are like a team that goes in and.
We don't flip exactly. We don't sell. We just rent.
Oh.
Yeah. So we'll put like tan colors on the walls.
And people like this house, though. One lady said, "Oh, if it just had the carpet in, I would grab it right now." But I'm like, well, sorry, we're.
Yeah. Is it okay if I go upstairs?
Yeah, go ahead.
Thank you.
Yeah. And nothing's wrong with this tile, though. This was put over carpet.
Okay.
That's what it seems. Yeah, because we had Zillow do an inspection, but we didn't like their offer they gave us. But on their inspection, they said they had no leaks, no foundation problems, no bugs. They had a bug guy even with them. It was a 2-hour inspection. And they said everything, it was all good. No leaks or anything.
That's good.
The report came back good. My brother just didn't like the offer they gave.
That's good.
Somebody told my brother they lowball you big time. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, because they have to have their profit margin when they flip
is that
it.
why?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so upstairs, right at the top of the stairs, we have another bathroom. And a bedroom. And another bedroom. These are actually, they feel like large rooms. Is it okay if I go past this?
Yeah,
Okay.
go past there, yeah. My husband just shuts that sometimes, but that doesn't quit.
Oh, got it. Okay, thank you.
Okay. You don't have to leave it shut, honey.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And that's that.